In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically rewrite printful product descriptions in Shopify using Misa and ChatGPT. To get started, open your Shopify store and make sure your printful products have already been imported. This is important because the automation will only work once those products exist inside Shopify. If your products are already showing in your catalog, you're ready to move on. Next, install the Misa automation app if you haven't already. If it's already installed, simply open it from your Shopify admin. Mesa is the tool that will connect each part of this process, allowing you to detect new products, send information to ChatGPT, and then update the product automatically. Once you're inside the app, begin creating a new workflow. For the trigger, choose the option that starts the workflow whenever a new Shopify product is created. This means every time a new product is added to your store, Mesa will immediately begin checking whether it should continue with the automation. This is what makes the process hands-free and efficient. After that, add a filter step to detect products coming from Printful. The purpose of this filter is to prevent the workflow from rewriting every product in your store. You only want it to continue when the product is a Printful product. So make sure the condition you use clearly identifies those imported items. This keeps your automation accurate and avoids unwanted changes. Once the filter is in place, add a ChatGPT step that will rewrite the product description. In this step, you'll send the original Printful description to ChatGPT so it has the source content to work from. The idea here is to transform a basic or generic description into something more polished, clear, and appealing for customers, while still staying true to the product details. When setting this up, make sure the original Printful description is the content being passed into the ChatGPT step. That gives the AI the exact text it needs to improve. A good rewritten description should sound natural, be easy to read, and be better optimized for your storefront without changing the product itself. After ChatGPT generates the new description, take a moment to review the output. This quick check helps you confirm that the wording fits your brand voice and that the content still accurately describes the product. Even with automation, it's always smart to verify the result before relying on it at scale. Finally, update the Shopify product using the improved description generated by ChatGPT. Once that step is saved in your workflow, new Printful products can move through this process automatically, helping you keep your store descriptions more professional and engaging with less manual work.